Welcome to today's video, everyone. Today we'll be discussing the Yealink MeetingBar A20 and how to use it with Teams. And here are some of the features. You just have to pause the video to have a read. And moving on, so we'll just show you a little demo of some of the features on the touch panel CTP18. There's quite a few settings that you can control here. And some of those controls are things such as if you go to the device settings and then click on control, you can control the camera. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can position the camera to the right, to the left, up or down. You can adjust the exposure settings. You can also select the white balance settings. You can do the graphics saturation, sharpness, and you can also play around with the noise reduction, so you can select what level of noise reduction you would like. And here you'll see the contents of the packaging, so what you should receive in your boxes for the meeting kit or the meeting bar. And everything will be labeled, so just pause the video to have a quick read of what you should receive in the boxes. Let's go through and take a look at the setup process, which is very quick and easy, doesn't require much time, and it's just a plug and play process. Today I have Megan Twentyman, our brand manager, to assist me in this. So what we'll do is we'll see how the AI features come into play, which is as I walk around the room, the camera should auto frame and do speaker tracking, so it should track my voice and it should automatically zoom into where I am. So if I'm talking from this part of the room, you can see it's already moved with me in a smooth transition, and if I walk back, it should walk with me as well, so it's just basically like my shadow, it's following me. And the camera quality as well, we'll get that feedback from Megan to let us know how the camera quality is. How is it looking from our side?
It's great, and the thing that I really like about it is that the tracking is very, very smooth. It's not that jerky tracking that you can get on some VC solutions.
Definitely.
And also the other thing is that the audio quality remains really good wherever you are in the room. So it's not like you're getting that massive transition of audio quality. So yeah, really, really impressed with how well it does. And it's not zooming in so close that it's uncomfortable. It's a good measure of where you are. So yeah, really, really impressed.
Thank you for that feedback, and I agree. As you can probably also hear, the audio quality from our end, so when we're hearing Megan speak, it's really loud, it's really crisp, and it's really clear. There's no delay, and it's just overall paired together with the amazing camera and the amazing audio quality, it's just going to take your meetings to the most remarkable level possible.